Hello class, this is teacher Nahinan. How are you? No vídeo de hoje, vamos iniciar a Unit 3 about sports. Mas antes, eu quero ver como está o conhecimento de vocês sobre esportes. So, which sport uses this ball? Qual é o esporte que usa essa bola? Which sport uses this ball? Baseball. E o verbo play baseball, ok? Which sport uses this ball? Basketball. Play basketball. Which sport uses this ball? Volleyball. Play volleyball. Which sport practice uses this? Swim. Which sport practice uses this? Ride a bike. Which sport uses this ball? Soccer. Play soccer. Ok? Agora que a memória de vocês sobre esportes já está bem fresquinha, pause this video, pick up your book, and come back when you're ready. Open your book on pages 22 and 23. 22, 23. Look, this is Unit 3, Sports and Activities. Where are they? Onde essas pessoas estão? Where are they? In the Sports Center. Which sports can you see? You can see basketball, you can see baseball, you can see tennis, swim. Aqui no fundo eu acho que é um soccer. Ah, no, volleyball. I'm sorry. Okay? Now listen.
Unit 3, Sports and Activities. Page 22. Exercise 1. Look and listen.
Wow, what a big swimming pool. Can you swim, Chris? No, I can't. I'm here to learn.
The blonde girl, this one, the blonde girl asks Chris about a sport. Então a menina loira pergunta para Chris sobre algum esporte. What is it? Swim. Now listen and repeat.
Page 23. Exercise 2. Listen and say.
Swim. Play soccer. Play basketball. Ride a bike. Play baseball.
Okay, so say after me. Swim. Play soccer. Play basketball. Ride a bike. Play baseball. Well done. Now go to page 24. Look and listen.
Page 24. Look and listen.
Patty can swim. Lynn can't swim.
Ok, temos aqui duas palavras muito importantes. Can, can't. Look. O que acontece em cada imagem aqui? Na primeira, ela sabe, ela consegue, ela pode nadar. Na segunda, ela não pode, ela não sabe, ela não consegue nadar. So, can, a gente usa quando vai expressar uma habilidade, algo que a gente consegue fazer, ou uma permissão. Então, poder, conseguir. O can't é a negativa. Então, não poder, não conseguir. Ok? With this, listen and number. Pick up your pencil. Observem essas imagens. Vocês ouvirão 6 sentences according to these parts. And you have to number. Ok? Ready?
Page 24. Exercise 4. Listen, number, and say. They can. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
'Okay, so let's check. Number 1, they can swim. Number 2, they can play baseball. Number 3, they can play basketball. Number 4, they can play soccer. Number 5, they can play volleyball. And number 6, they can ride a bike. Se você se confundiu, você pode voltar quantas vezes for necessário para ouvir, ok? Exercise number 5. Listen and sing. Are you ready?
Page 24. Exercise 5. Chant and mime. What can you do?
What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? I can play soccer. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? I can dance.
E aí, o que acharam? Now, go to page 25, exercise 6, stick. We're gonna use the stickers. They're on page 107. Vocês observarão cada imagem com muita atenção e colarão os stickers das frases correspondentes, ok? So, pause this video and come back when you're ready. Let's correct. Number 1. Alan can't ride a horse. Ele não consegue, não pode. 2. Joey can play the guitar. 3. Emily can roller skate. 4. Michael can speak French. 5. Olga can't sing. 6. Stevie and Sarah can't dance. Okay? So that's it for today. Bye-bye, class.